If you want to disable the wallpaper scroll effect on the home screen on Google Pixel 11, then unfortunately there is no dedicated option, switcher, button, anything, or setting in general that would allow you to just easily disable the scroll effect. But what you can do is you can take a screenshot of the image that you use as a wallpaper. Now in my case I have set my own photo as a wallpaper, so that's a little bit easier for me. But essentially you can go, let's say, to the Photos app, and you can open the picture that you use as a wallpaper if you actually use your custom image. And what you can do now is you want to zoom in to make sure that the whole screen is covered. And want to set up the image. So let's say this is how I want the wallpaper to look like. Then you should be able to take a screenshot. Make sure that there are no buttons visible. So if you have any options or something, you can just tap on the screen to hide everything. And now use the power button and volume down button at the same time in order to take the screenshot. There we go. After taking the screenshot, I can set it as the wallpaper. So let me quickly go to screenshots here. So in order to find these screenshots, go to collections in the Photos app and choose screenshots. There we go. Now in here, we should be able to set the photo as the wallpaper. So here in these three dots, we can find use as, and I'm gonna choose wallpaper. And then just go next and apply the wallpaper. And now if I go back to the home screen, as you can see, there is no longer the scroll effect. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.